Wacom announced during the summer that the company would add 24-inch, 32-inch Cintiq Pros to its line, and the flagship tablets debuted tonight at CES for the first time. They feature edge-to-edge glass screens and work with the Pro 2 Peruvian Nuvo Sols pen, which has 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity. The 24-inch model will have separate versions of just pen or pencil and screen and will be available by the end of February. The 32-inch will only be available in the pencil and touch option, and will be available sometime in the spring. And since Cintiq Pros does not have ExpressKeys shortcut keys that you can program to undo, copy, paste, etc. built in as the previous Cintiq 27 HD did, the ExpressKey Remote comes with the device. However, you will have to buy your own stand if you wish. Seeing him in person, he was not prepared for how massive the screen would be. "This is what it looks like compared to my settings on the way, the Clip Studio workspace on my 9.7-inch iPad Pro is so big.